Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we learn about ionic compounds and their general properties. What is meant by ionic compounds? The compounds which are formed by taking and giving of electrons between metals and non-metals are called as ionic compounds, or the compounds which are formed by two units, namely cation and anion, are also called as ionic compounds. For example, NaCl, sodium chloride, MgCl2, magnesium chloride, ZnCl2, zinc chloride, KCl, potassium chloride, MgO, magnesium oxide, etc. All these are the examples of ionic compounds. For example, NaCl. In NaCl, Na, that is sodium, is the metal, chlorine is the non-metal. Sodium has positive charge while chlorine has negative charge. Positively charged ions are called as cations, while negatively charged ions are called as anions. The force of attraction is very strong between cation and anion, is called as ionic bond. Now we discuss about the general properties of ionic compounds. The general properties of ionic compounds are as follows. First, ionic compounds exist in solid state because there is a strong force of attraction between cation and anion. Second property, ionic compounds are brittle and they can be broken into small pieces by applying the pressure. For example, common table salt. Third property is that generally ionic compounds have high melting and boiling point because the intermolecular force of attraction is very strong between cation and anion of ionic compounds, and so they require more amount of energy to break the ionic bond between them. For example, the melting point of magnesium oxide is 2852 degrees Celsius, while its boiling point is 3600 degrees Celsius. Now, fourth property is that ionic compounds are soluble in water, but they are insoluble in organic solvents such as petrol, ether, kerosene, benzene. Why ionic compounds are soluble in water? Because the ions get separated in water due to dissociation process. As a result of this, there is new force of attraction established in between ions and surrounding water. But in case of organic solvents, there is no new force of attraction established because in organic solvents there is no separation of ions by the dissociation process. These are the general properties of ionic compounds. Friends, I hope that you understand ionic compounds and their general properties. Thank you.